How to make videos for TikTok and Instagram. Now maybe you are a content creator and then you'd like to create videos for TikTok to post on TikTok or for Instagram Reels, and you have no idea how to get started. First of all, make sure that you choose your niche and that you have the recorded video of whatever you want to publish or the edited video. Now we will just go to a certain editing application. One of the most popular ones is actually CapCut. Now because of its integration or partnership with TikTok, CapCut is actually one of the most widely recommended ones because there are certain templates that only TikTok and CapCut supports, and only when it is edited in CapCut can it be uploaded to TikTok. So first you can launch the CapCut video editor app for completely free, and because it is free and unless you haven't paid, you will have to deal with some of the ads, unfortunately. So let me just go ahead and close this ad. I can tap on start a new project. I can simply choose a video that I want for my Instagram or TikTok. Then I can hit the add button right here. Now I can first of all choose an aspect ratio right here. You can see a couple of options. Go to the option that says aspect ratio, and I want to choose one for TikTok, or if you are doing for Instagram, you can choose the one for Instagram Reels just based on what you prefer, and then hit the done button. Then after that you can go ahead and even drag the size of the video where you want to edit it out like this, right? Now once you've done that, you can see our video is ready. Now I can add a couple of effects to it. So I can tap on filters and I can go ahead and choose any of the filters. Some of them are pro filters, so if you touch them then it will ask you to prompt you to go to the pro version. Or what you can do is you can go to effects, you can adjust some of the saturation and contrast and a little bit of color grading. You can add captions, you can add overlay or stickers. Once you're done editing, you can hit the export button and upload them to TikTok or Instagram or wherever you prefer. And that's all it takes for us to make video on CapCut for TikTok or for Instagram. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.